Are you on the hunt for the perfect travel companion that combines convenience and style? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore the best rolling duffel bags available today. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway, hitting the gym, or embarking on a longer adventure, a rolling duffel can provide the ideal balance of space and portability. Join us as we review top picks and highlight essential features to help you make an informed choice for your next journey. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Gonex Rolling Duffel Bag. Finding a balance between budget and quality can be challenging, especially when it comes to travel gear. The Gonex Rolling Duffel Bag stands out as an exceptional choice that combines durability, functionality, and stylish design, all without breaking the bank. You'll appreciate how this bag feels premium despite its attractive price. After thorough testing, we found that the wheels glide effortlessly, making it a breeze to maneuver during busy travel days. The handle is also thoughtfully designed to fold away easily, ensuring a seamless user experience. This duffel bag offers a unique hybrid design, blending the features of a suitcase with the flexibility of a traditional duffel. Its structured, durable bottom half supports your belongings, while the fabric upper flap adds a touch of versatility. With plenty of external and internal pockets, organizing your essentials becomes second nature, allowing you to locate what you need quickly and efficiently. One of the standout features is its waterproof capability, providing peace of mind during unexpected weather changes. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or embarking on a longer journey, this rolling duffel caters to your needs with practicality and style. Ultimately, the Gonex Rolling Duffel Bag is a smart investment for anyone seeking reliable travel gear that doesn't compromise on performance or aesthetics. With this bag in tow, you're equipped to travel confidently, embracing each adventure that comes your way. At number 4, Eagle Creek Cargo Hauler Wheeled Duffel. The Eagle Creek Cargo Hauler Wheeled Duffel redefines spaciousness, offering an impressive 130 liters of storage capacity while weighing under 5 pounds when empty. This striking combination makes it an ideal choice for travelers seeking lightweight yet durable luggage. Crafted from high-quality, abrasion-resistant materials, this duffel is designed to endure the rigors of your adventures, ensuring that it stands the test of time. One standout feature is its innovative design, which allows you to convert the duffel into a backpack. This flexibility means you can carry your belongings comfortably, even when the bag can't stand upright. Whether you're navigating an airport terminal or hiking through rugged terrain, this versatility enhances your travel experience, making it convenient and practical. Additionally, the cargo hauler comes with a packing cube, adding to its organization capabilities. This thoughtful inclusion means you can keep your gear neatly arranged, so you spend less time searching and more time enjoying your journey. In a world where comfort and functionality matter, the Eagle Creek Cargo Hauler Wheeled Duffel offers a seamless blend of both. It invites you to travel smarter, making it easier to focus on what truly matters, your adventure. Whether you're headed for a weekend getaway or a longer expedition, this duffel is equipped to handle it all, allowing you to set off on your next journey with confidence and ease. Choose the cargo hauler for your next trip and experience the perfect combination of space, durability, and style. Number 3, we have the OGIO Terminal Wheeled Travel Suitcase. The OGIO Terminal Wheeled Travel Suitcase is designed for those who appreciate built-in organization in their travel gear. If you often find yourself struggling to keep your belongings tidy, this suitcase will help transform your packing experience. It features a plethora of external and internal compartments, ensuring you can comfortably fit up to 2 weeks' worth of clothing and essentials. This organization means no more digging through a jumble of items to find what you need. The suitcase's thoughtfully designed external handles make it easy to maneuver, whether you're loading it into your car or lifting it onto a luggage rack. You'll also appreciate the smooth rolling wheels, which make navigating through airports and cobblestone streets a breeze. With a generous 95-liter capacity, the OGIO Terminal strikes the perfect balance between spaciousness and practicality, allowing you to pack everything you need without feeling cumbersome. Not only is it built for everyday travel, but its rugged construction also makes it an excellent choice for outdoor adventures or long road trips. You can trust that this suitcase will stand up to the challenges of your journey, providing durability and reliability. With the OGIO Terminal Wheeled Travel Suitcase, your travel experience will be more organized, efficient, and enjoyable. Prepare to embrace the beauty of seamless travel with a suitcase that meets all your packing needs. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or an extended vacation, this travel companion truly supports your journey. At number 2, Traveler's Club Xpedition Rolling Duffel. Are you searching for a reliable travel companion for your winter adventures? The Traveler's Club Xpedition Rolling Duffel is your answer, effortlessly accommodating up to 2 weeks' worth of winter clothing with room to spare. With a spacious main compartment, it easily stores bulkier items like jackets, sweaters, and gear, making it perfect for all your winter essentials. You'll appreciate the practicality of numerous external pockets, thoughtfully designed to keep your must-haves within reach, whether you're at the airport or unpacking at your destination. While the handle is sturdy, its slimmer design and smaller wheels may present minor challenges in busy airport terminals. However, its exceptional functionality and affordability make it stand out in the market. Available in a variety of vibrant colors, this duffel allows you to express your style while ensuring your bag is easily identifiable at baggage claim. Beyond practicality, the Traveler's Club Xpedition reflects your active lifestyle and love for exploration. As you set off on your journeys, whether traveling to the mountains for skiing or exploring winter destinations, you'll value the ease of packing and unpacking that this duffel offers. Embrace the versatility and functionality that the Traveler's Club Xpedition brings to your adventures. By choosing this bag, you're not just getting a simple duffel, you're enhancing your entire travel experience. Enjoy every moment of your journey with the reliability that this duffel provides. And finally, the number 1 of our list, TUMI Alpha Large Split Two-Wheeled Duffel. The TUMI Alpha Large Split Two-Wheeled Duffel is expertly crafted, offering a perfect blend of functionality, quality, and style. If you've ever struggled with packing bulky clothing or managing travel essentials, you'll appreciate the spacious main compartment designed to accommodate your larger items effortlessly. Additionally, the zippered bottom compartment is ideal for organizing shoes, toiletry bags, and extra packing cubes, keeping your belongings secure and tidy. Constructed from high-quality ballistic nylon, this duffel not only feels luxurious but also withstands the demands of frequent travel. You'll find it surprisingly easy to maneuver across various surfaces, whether you're navigating busy airport terminals or rolling it across hotel carpets. While the price point may be higher, the investment in this duffel pays off in terms of durability and sophisticated design. It's tailored for travelers like you who value both practicality and an elevated aesthetic. With features that prioritize organization, this bag simplifies your travel experience, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. In a world where travel can often be chaotic, the TUMI Alpha Large Split Two-Wheeled Duffel stands out as a reliable companion. Whether you're jetting off for a weekend getaway or heading out for a business trip, this duffel is designed to meet your needs while making a stylish statement. Embrace the convenience and quality of TUMI and elevate your travel experience. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which rolling duffel bag you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.